All right. Time to check out my Saturday to-do list. Eat breakfast. Check. Work out. Check. Take a nap. Is anyone gonna wake him up? What? Shoot a mystery box video? But I've already done so much today. Oh boy, what did he do? Well, what do we have here? Looks like a box. Where did it come from? From up above. Why is it glowing and changing colors? Dude, what should we do with it? Let's take it inside and open it up, bro. Good idea. So what's inside? I don't know. Oh, but there's a note. Really? What does it say? Here are your ingredients. Have fun with the noodles. LOL. Amanda. Amanda? Amanda who? Amanda Bynes? No. Cerny? Nope. Seyfried? No. Okay, I give up. I don't know any more Amandas, bro. Amanda Morosky. Oh, Morosky, bro. Yeah, see, I was gonna get to her. Sure you were. Seriously though, bro, like, what's in the box? Shirataki noodles, goat cheese, coconut milk, almond butter, and raspberries. Those ingredients sound wild. I'm thinking noodle smoothie. Ew, what? No, I'm thinking maybe a keto carbonara. What? But that has carbs. The Real Housewives of Atlanta is on. I gotta go. Bye-bye.